So the first stop on our adventure after TX2K is the Shop Houston. I didn't get the chance to catch up with these guys at the event. We're obviously all very busy. They were racing. They took out the Unlimited class win in Kimbo, which was pretty cool to see. See. So we're on the way to our GTR meet tonight, and I couldn't help but stop by. Hopefully someone's here that can say hello and we can check out the Shop Houston. They're probably all asleep after TX2K because it's a pretty big weekend, but we rocked up. There's a couple of GTRs out the front, so I presume someone's here. Let's take a look. Let's go. Oh, someone's here.
Hi. What you doing here?
Hey.
How you doing, sir?
What's happening?
I was living my best life.
Just living the best life. I heard everyone's asleep today. And you're probably the only one here today after TX2K?
Yeah, I'm the only one that's dumb enough to wake up, and even with broken legs and still walking all the way over here.
I think I woke up 11 a.m. so
it must be nice.
I got knocked on the door to get booted out of her accommodation. That's
working
basically
banker's
why,
hours,
so.
I see. Okay.
So we've heard a lot about the Shop Houston. Obviously, Unlimited class win on the weekend, which is obviously a huge deal,
yes.
right? Like that's huge. The car Kimbo's known around the world now. But let's talk more about the Shop Houston. Obviously, not every car is a Unlimited class GTR. You guys do a bit of everything with R35 from servicing through to everything, right?
From every angle of that sweep, we have everything from basic bolt-on stuff that, let's say you make 600-ish wheel, to all the way to over 2,000. We have everything from the dynoing, the building, fabrication, racing. We can also meet you at the track and do all that kind of stuff. So if it's a need, we can fill it.
Now I noticed also that most R35 shops are now branching out. There's twin turbo V10 stuff floating around the car park. Might be out the back. I even saw a Skyline GTR outside floating around. Well, we might see some of those in there, huh? Oh, there we go.
All right. Oh yes, so. yes. So we do have one R8 that makes, I could say it's significantly past 1,500 tire. We have this one that we're going to start doing our own kits on, so we're going to do a lot of R&D on that. Vaughn, one of the owners, has a white Huracan that's twin turboed. If I remember right, I think that makes around 15 or 16-ish. 100.
This is Texas, so that's a normal car, right?
Yes, everything's bigger in. What don't you understand about bigger in Texas? Numbers 2.
Everything.
All right,
let's have a bit of a look around, shall we? Obviously, we're in the showroom. Give us the tour. Give us the tour.
Yes, I would love to. So, if you come down here, you'll see some crazy shots of from all of our adventures. That's one of the owners right there. That's Mac. Let's see. How many here? Here's another one of Mac. Marcelo. That's Vaughn. This is one. Marcelo has a whole handful of cars with us. There's Marcelo again right here, and then Mac. Here's another one of ours. If you need fittings, we only have a handful. So, but I'm sure you're here for the good stuff. So
here we go. All right. So this is a quiet day.
Yes.
And I can count 1, 2, 3. R35s, 4 if I see the back of one. So 4 R35s is all I see. I saw 2 out the front. So this is a quiet day with everyone still at home.
It is. Last Friday we had a massive party over here. We still got some of the hooch and whatnot over there. Sorry, sorry, we know we don't have any Fosters. I apologize. But yeah, normally this place, especially when all the cars are in, and I'm a big guy, I gotta suck in the gut just to get everywhere. And we have 8 bays. We have a fabrication shop right there in the back. We have an enclosed dyno which is really cool. It's got a really cool suction system, and so you can still be inside of it.
You know, I'm getting super excited. I can actually see an S14 and an NSX in the corner. I was waiting on
that. I was gonna see, does he catch it, or do I let him know about it?
No, I could smell it. I have an S14 as well that I've had for 20 years, so like I can smell that from here. I'm like, that smells like a rocking old JDM interior.
Of that car?
Probably not. I kept mine for 20 years, so.
Original owner.
Wow.
It's a top secret car.
Awesome. I gotta see this.
Let's go.
Like, forget 6-second R35s. Like there could be a 12-second S14.
If you know anything about RBs, which maybe you do, maybe you don't.
Do I know about RBs?
Maybe. You know.
Do I know about RBs? I know this much. You ready? Here we go.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, look at that. There we go.
And the turbo is perfectly sized, so you can still drive this on the street, and you'll still have, because of the size of this, you'll still have some really nice drivability to it, and you'll have a really nice torque curve. I love this thing. This thing is
how cool is that?
It's super clean. I'm so used to coming from, you know, the LS world where, you know, we would look at this and we have to LS swap it. But now I look at this and I'm, okay, never mind. Hajime is the guy that owns this, and I'm, wow, this thing is super cool. When it first showed up, I kind of was, here it is. It's a one owner. It's got the epic RB swap in it, and it's also left-hand drive, which how it should be.
That is cool. All right, one thing I've learned at the shop Houston is how to build the ultimate Western Sydney forklift. Check this out. Lamborghini purple, Performante stripes. What else we got? Let's have a closer look. We have the Louis Vuitton seat. We have the samurai sword, the 8-ball and the skull levers. We have the sidearm to the side. We have the speaker for tunes, probably playing some type of EDM or hip hop. And that is the ultimate Western Sydney forklift. I think I want one.
This is awesome.
The secret black room.
Yep, it's fucked for now because look how thick the door has to be. And
my favorite thing about this dyno room is the dyno is Australian. It's a mainline dyno, and the best thing about that is if you want to compare horsepower figures from America to Australia, using a mainline is probably the best way to do it. So yes. We always joke that, is that American horsepower or Australian horsepower? Well, here at the shop Houston, it's Aussie horsepower.
Yes, these actually can convert from bald eagles to kangaroos that quick. All right, guys, hey, I want to say thank you for coming in. I know you were in the area, you wanted to come and check some stuff out. I'm glad that you got to see the entire operation, got to see some extreme builds, some unique builds, and got to have a great time hanging out with us Texans and getting wild and crazy. So I can't wait till you guys come back. I can't wait to see what the future holds. And of course, thanks for watching and thanks for coming.